Good morning, Discovery All-Stars, and welcome to this week's edition of the All-Star Announcements. It is the week of October 2nd through October 6th. Let's wish some people a happy birthday. So Miss Annie Jones, our first grade teacher, had a birthday yesterday on Sunday, October 1st. So wish her a happy belated birthday if you see her today. Carter Williams has a birthday coming up Thursday, October 5th. And Kaylee Fleener has a birthday this Friday, October 6th. So happy birthday for our October All-Stars. Let's take a quick look at the weekly weather forecast for this week. If your teachers would like to pause and look more in depth, you may, but it's going to be a warm week this week. So make sure you are wearing clothes that are not too warm since it will be in the 80s for recess this week. What's going on at Discovery Academy? We have a lot going on this week. We have Spirit Week. So today, Monday, is Favorite Color Day. Dress head to toe in your favorite color. Tomorrow, Tuesday, is Favorite Book or Movie Character. So dress like your favorite character from a book or a movie. Roll out of bed and come to school on Wednesday in your PJs. It's Pajama Day. Thursday, dress like your teacher. So you dress like your teacher, and teachers will dress like students on Thursday. And Friday is House Spirit Day. Wear your house colors, or if you have a house shirt, wear that as well. And it's bus count week. So if you ride the bus this week, please make sure to ride in the morning and the afternoon. We have a super special event tomorrow, Tuesday, October 3rd, for just the 5th and 6th graders. They'll be having a dance starting at 6 and going until 7:30 p.m. And there will be a DJ and food, so dress to impress and come to have a great time with your friends. Today is National Custodial Workers Recognition Day. So make sure to say thank you to Mr. Williams, Mr. McCoy, and Mr. Crisp for all that they do to keep our school clean. We really, really appreciate them. Speaking of, let's formally introduce them to you. Our custodial team minus one member. It's very hard to find these guys all together, so they're so busy all over the school. Mr. McCoy in the black shirt, Mr. Crisp, and not here yet this morning is Mr. Williams, so we will make sure to get his picture on the announcements soon. A new month means a new character trait. So for the month of October, our character trait is respect. So you're caring how your words and actions impact others. So some things you can do to show respect. For the R, recognize that everyone is different and celebrate those differences. For E, show empathy and listen and connect with others. The S, self-monitor. So think before you speak, think before you do. The P stands for personal space. So a sign of respect is giving people the space that they need to feel comfortable. For E, earn trust through your actions. So prove to people you are a trustworthy person and we can count on you. C, cheer on others and their success. So when you're being respectful, you are wanting the best for others around you. And that T stands for treat everyone as an equal, or sometimes it's said to treat everyone the way you would like to be treated. At the end of last week, our house stats showed that Dayana Braswell, still a top point earner for Altruismo, with Apollo Bills as well. Amistad, Josiah Potts, and Jackson Parr, still on the top leaderboard. For Isabindi, Aaliyah Sowards, and Noah Ernest earning the most points last week. And Tanisha Hand and Caleb Flanagan earning the most points for Rever last week. So 15 staff members gave out house points last week. Mr. Barnett, Mrs. Black, and Mrs. Kuhlman gave out the most points. Thank you so much for recognizing the great character shown by our All-Stars. End of last week. On the leaderboard again for the second week in a row. Way to go, Amistad. And now it's time to smile about all of the great things happening in our school. I hope this middle picture is working for everybody because it's not showing up for me right now. But let's take a look at some more smiles that we've seen throughout the week. So here we have Kai Scott enjoying breakfast and a book. It's always nice to see students at breakfast, socializing with friends, and just taking the time to start their day out right. Miss Lavalette is so thankful for Miss Autumn and the wonderful things she has been doing in fourth grade. So here she is showing off something that Miss Autumn made for her. And last week, Keandre Harris and Kyrie Brown earned a kindness award from Mr. G for going above and beyond to help in the classroom. Way to go.
Of the month. Woo!
We had our Student of the Month awards last Friday. And so here's our somewhat happy, somewhat shy
Thank you,
Student of the
Elliot.
Month award winners.
Yoo-hoo! Of
Yep,
the
we had staff
month.
recognized with Miss
Woo!
S earning the first coveted golden apple from Mrs. Flowers. And then Mrs. Gorst and Mrs. Starrett also
Thank you,
received
Elliot.
awards. Way to go, staff and students. We've got a word of the week this week, and our word is acquaint. Say it with me, acquaint. It's a verb, and it has two definitions. It means to cause to know something, or to inform firsthand. Here's some examples. He became acquainted with his new school. Please acquaint her with her job duties. So let's try to use that word and impress your teachers. And finally, we have a did you know? Did you know that you cannot smell while you sleep? What a crazy fact. And let's finish out our announcements with our All-Star Character Pledge. We are Discovery Academy All-Stars. We promise to be safe by following all rules and directions. We strive to work as a team to accomplish the task at hand. We are responsible for giving our very best in all areas at school. We promise to respect ourselves, others, and our school. We will not rest until our good is better and our better is best. Have a great Spirit Week, Discovery Academy All-Stars.